Hello everyone, this is Vibhuti and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use CHelper. I will show you people three utilities of CHelper. Number one, how to parse an entire context. Number two, how to parse individual problems. Number three, how to use your custom input output classes to take input and to display output to the console. Okay, so let's get started. Our first utility is how to parse an entire context which is occurring or which has been occurred previously from code forces using this CHelper plugin. Okay, first let me show you one thing. This code forces context page. You see this, these 5 contests hasn't been occurred till now, and these are the contests which has been occurred. Okay, if you go to your IntelliJ IDE and go to this one, this button which is for parse contest, you will clearly see the contests in the same order as they were in this code forces website. It is taking a little bit of time, so just wait. You see, first is wildcard round up to 5. If you go down up to this 5, you will see nothing out here, but the moment you will go for this think of challenge elimination round, wait for some time. uh, this has been done today, where I have been participated. You see all these questions are out here. You can select any number of question you want. If you will select A, the first question will be passed, B then 2. You can select any number of questions you want. I am selecting all for convenience. Okay, then I am pressing OK. It's taking a little bit time, so wait for it. First task is done. Okay, because of some problem it was updating its indices, so let's do it again. It's not a big deal, it happens. Let's wait for some time. Elimination round again. It will take a little bit time to come. Okay, let's count from 5 5 4. Oh, it's fast. Again press OK. Let's see, this time it's done perfectly, or else I have to make another video for it again. Oh, it's done now. I'm saved. So here you can see that separate classes have been made for each of the problems which were there in this think of challenge elimination round. You can see that there were 7 problems starting from A to Z, and separate classes were made for A to G. So how we shall use these classes for to get our final result? Okay, so I have solved task in this contest and my rating has been gone down like anything. So now let's don't discuss that. I am copying and pasting the first problem solution. It's out here, and let's run it and see what happens. After you run this, you're going to see a very beautiful thing in the console. Just wait for it. Okay. Here you can see that it's saying all test passed. It's also giving how much time it's taking to pass the test cases. So don't confuse that. It's considering all the test cases. It is not considering all the test cases. It's only considering the test cases present here in the examples. It's only considering the preliminary test cases, and if you want to see, here are the test cases. These 3 test cases which were present here, it's only considering its input and the output. Okay, and it's showing that whether your solution pass all the test cases or not. Here you can see it's quite obvious. Using scanner we take input this way, and using print router we print our output this way. It's not a big deal if you are a Java programmer, and you can clearly see that we just can't simply copy and paste this code uh, to get the perfect result we want. It will simply throw out a wrong answer thing. So now next confusion, where is the final code and how it knows that whatever we have written is correct. In the settings there was one thing, output directory output. So let's go to this output directory and see what's there. In this output directory you can clearly see that there is a class called main.java where main function is automatically built and your code is there using static class task A, and where everything is every housekeeping stuff is done for you. So this is the work of CHelper. So if you want to upload the final code, use this main.java. So first thing is done, parsing the whole context. Now the next thing, how to parse problems individually. Let's delete all of them. Fine. This problem is opened out here. Fine. If you want to do this problem for say practice sake, how shall we parse this problem? For that you have to install this CHelper extension. If you haven't installed, go to my previous video. I have showed how to install this. Okay, just press this plus sign. It will make everything whatever you want. Here you can see that all again says it's giving the contest name, everything, and task class name you can change if you want. You see I'm simply giving task A, or let's change it. Okay, Oleg and shares. See, the task is out here. I am pasting the same answer. Let me tell you, it was the same question only. Run it out and you will see that it will pass all the preliminary test cases. Not a big deal. Okay, and if I want to upload this solution, I will simply go to this output file and I will upload this main code. Okay, everything is done. This is how we parse individuals problems. The next thing which I want to tell you is how to use your own custom input output, how to use your own custom classes to take input and to print output to the console. Many times you have seen that many coders, actually many good coders, they use their own custom class to take input and to print output. Okay, so if you want to use it, how shall we do? For that I have made another package called fast.io, and I have kept my own custom written InputReader and OutputWriter class. It's not entirely written by me. I have taken all this code from some great coders like Igor himself. I have taken this code from them, where you see that in this InputReader thing there are functions like nextInt to read integer, then nextDouble to read double, and simply nextLong to read long, and then next to ring string, nextInt array for an entire to read an entire array, nextInt matrix for matrix, and so on. I have added these two things. If you want, you can add some more custom functions also. And OutputWriter class is there, where we use this print to print objects and print line for long int and everything. As you will use it, you will know there is no way that I can explain each and every functions individually. What I can tell you people is, start using it, you will eventually realize how to use everything. Okay, so now again delete these two things, and using our own custom InputReader and OutputWriter class, let's see how we can write the solution. Okay, so to use them, go to the settings. So you see that in the input class we have written scanner, but here the class whatever you are using is fast.io dot input reader. Okay, this is my custom class to read inputs. Then again for output, fast.io dot output writer. It's done. Press OK. Go here, use this plus sign, then press OK. You can clearly see that for input reader I am using input reader, for output writer I am writing output writer. Okay, actually for the solution whichever I have used here, I have used these two things only. So let's copy again, paste it out here. It's similar to how we use scanner and print writer only I have written my own not my own function, some functions, so that the code is more optimized and fast. Okay, Now let's run it. And you see all the preliminary test cases have been passed. Now let's go to the main function and see. Sorry, we have to go to this output folder. In the main function, you see in the InputReader class there is only read and next int out here and next long out here and some other functionality. In the OutputWriter class there is only these two classes are there, but in the main class there are so many things, right? There are so many functions, and in InputReader also there are so many functions like next int array. This is the beauty of CHelper. It only takes the necessary classes, necessary methods, and it puts that into the necessary class, okay, whatever we have taken. And at the end, sorry for my bad English, but I am sure that whatever I am trying to make you people understand, you have understood it properly. Use CHelper, use it judiciously, and happy coding. Bye bye.